Hey everyone, this is just a quick review of division of fractions and mixed numbers. Hopefully these TouchCast videos will take and you'll find them useful. Let's get right into the review of division of fractions and mixed numbers. Hopefully this will help you solidify these concrete steps in your mind. Look at this. Okay, we're going to start with the use of a model, and I'm going to do 3/4 divided by 1/8. Oop, that's a bad 8. There we go. Using a model. Okay, so when you're using a model, you're going to draw a representation of a whole. In this case, you want to use two of them because you're dividing a fraction by a fraction. They need to be the same size. Make your 3/4, okay, and make your 1/8. I like to do it like this. Start with halves, fourths, eighths. Okay? So, I'm going to shade in my 3/4 quickly. There are my 3/4. And basically what I'm looking to answer is how many groups, how many of these 1/8 fit inside that 3/4. Okay? And because the models are lined up and they're the same size, it's pretty easy to see. If you count how many 1/8s are in this group of 3/4, you can clearly see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 1/8s. Okay, let's double check this with the flip and multiply method. Hang on. All right, let's quickly go over the flip and multiply method for dividing fractions. We had our 3/4. We were dividing by 1/8. Okay, ooh, it's hard to make an 8 on here. There we go. Pretty sloppy, but you get the picture. Okay, flip means you're going to find reciprocal of this fraction, the divisor, or just turn it over so that the 8 is on top and the 1 is on bottom. Let's try that. Here's your 3/4, and here your 8 is up top, your 1 is on the bottom. Because you flipped that fraction, you also have to flip the operation. The opposite of division is multiplication. So because you flipped that, now you have to flip the operation. And you know, when you multiply fractions, you just multiply straight across. 3 times 8, boom, 24. 4 times 1, well, that's 4. Now, you should know this fraction, this improper fraction, that's a division problem. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. The same exact answer we got before. Let's try it out with mixed numbers. Okay, we're going to do 2 1/3 divided by 1 1/4. Now the trick here is you have to make both mixed numbers into improper fractions. To do that, you multiply the numerator by the whole number and add it to the denominator. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 equals 7, and then you put it over the original denominator. Same thing with the second fraction. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 equals 5. That goes over the original denominator. Now, again, you have your division problem, but we need to do that reciprocal on that divisor. So I have 7/3 divided by 5/4. Let's get that right. It's going to be 7/3, and the reciprocal of 5/4 is 4/5. Because we got the reciprocal of that fraction, we multiply. 7 times 4 equals 28. Ooh. And 3 times 5 equals 15. So we've got an answer of 28/15. Okay? Improper fraction. We need to turn it into a mixed number. And the question is, again, this is a division problem. How many times does 15 go into 28? Can you get 2 of them in there? No. So 1 time 15 goes into 28 becomes your whole number. You get rid of that 15. Then you need to figure out what's left over, and that needs to go over your original denominator. So 15 goes once into 28, you get 15. What's left over? Well, 28 minus 15 is 13. So your answer would be 1 13/15. Hey, listen, I hope this helped you out. Please check back next week for another TouchCast. This is Hopkins